we have a problem, and I don't know if it was any of you, but we need to get to the bottom of it, or I'm going to have to excuse everybody from utilizing cameras anymore, because there is an instruction that this witness not be in any way filmed or documented, no visual images of this witness, and some person who I have no idea who is from Adam has just emailed that they and shown a picture that is now documented all over the internet of this witness today, clearly sitting in the witness box being examined by Miss Love, and it is a full-on image of the witness. And so we need to get to the bottom of who took it and sent it to somebody else. And it was posted by somebody named Empress Fox, Protect the Flag America, I guess, 2028, with the disclaimer, this was sent to me, I didn't take the photo or own it. So, one by one.
I don't take stills.
Your Honor, I just want to say I'm not allowed to have cameras.
I can't, you know what? Everybody come up individually to a microphone somewhere so that I can hear you, identify yourself, and say what you need to say. Does that mic work? Good afternoon.
So I just, I'm not the leader. I just wanted to be the first one to say that I'm not allowed cell phones or cameras. It's on no order. I definitely did not take the picture. The picture did come to my attention. I got here a little bit late today, but there was a camera and device. Someone was definitely taking pictures today. And I know one of the people who was taking pictures was Miss L.J. Hall, PhD. Not for sure if she took the picture, but she definitely had a camera.
Okay. All right. And remind me your name, I'm sorry.
Yes, my name is Nicole Borden.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I think that's what you gave that lady we talked about the rule 22 the same time you gave her hers.
And she was
She
Miss
wasn't here.
Sylvia.
Yeah, you gave her permission to do still photos, but not on these. You weren't supposed to do that.
Hey, I only
Hello.
Hi, I was live streaming. That's it. I didn't take any pictures.
Ma'am.
I live stream. I didn't take any pictures.
Okay, I mean, you've got a couple, 2 or 3 different devices going over there at once at some points in time. And it looks like sometimes you do take photos. Are you taking photos?
Yeah, I only take photos of the defendant. That's
All
it.
right.
Or you.
You are
Oh, I take pictures of you.
representing to the court that you did not take
No.
any pictures, any images of this witness. All
No.
right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know anything at all about anyone who did and/or how this got out there?
I only know one person that was taking pictures, the same person that you said.
She signed in right
She
here.
signed in right here too.
All right, and ma'am, I don't even know who you are back there, but,
No,
She's not.
She's not even
she's
allowed
not
to
part of
have
the
her.
ministry.
okay. No, all right, sorry to have, okay. All right, thank you. I will do a show cause order to Ms. Hall, and we'll find out from her. Okay. That's it for this part of the proceedings. All right, so if, Ms. Love, you're going to want to deal with the rest of, hang on. If you are going to want to introduce all of those exhibits, we're going to have to hash out the admissibility of them. So I had thought you were going to introduce them with Mr. Sprinkle, but
I was, and I took out ones that specifically were pertinent to the interview that Sergeant Gaither had, because there was she had knowledge and could testify about people that were pertinent to what she and Mr. Zachary discussed in the interview. In other words, for instance, during the interview, you hear them talking about the dugout. There are pictures in the exhibits that I showed her of Mr. Zachary and Quentin Porter at the dugout. You hear Mr. Zachary talking about a person named Gucci Red. There, 526 Yankee Charlie is a picture of Mr. Zachary and Gucci Red.
Okay.
You hear,
So I guess what I need to know is, do you want/need to have these admitted with this witness?
yes,
And-
the ones that I selected, not the whole 526
Okay,
Yankee.
so I guess that means we're gonna need to sort out the admissibility of them now, which is what we're gonna have to do. So can you, tell me in number, not reverse number order, what they are?
Yes,
Or just hand them to me and I'll write them down?
yes,
That might
either
be
way.
faster.
Sure. And we can also email the PowerPoint to the court.
Oh, I think y'all already, I didn't, PowerPoint, just the exhibit list. Yeah, you already did. I just need to know which ones we need to litigate right now. So where are the page numbers? Miss Love, where are the page numbers?
Your Honor, I have the page numbers and I can show the courts the actual images. Let me just.
You know what, let's just go, let's just start in numerical order and not reverse numerical order, just because it'll make my brain less crazed.
Understand.
And go see if there's objection to them. So if everybody wants to pull up their scanned document that was sent over the other day, so that we can all be looking at them. Have to find it. Your scan. All right. I think your first one was either 12 or 16.
It is. And, Your Honor, I know what the court said. We're just going to try and make it as simple as possible.
Okay.
And we're sending to the court the way it's going to be displayed in electronic form so that the court can look at it and it's not terribly confusing.
Okay, so it is going to be displayed differently than what it is on the scan that you sent yesterday?
Yes,
Okay.
because, yes.
Well, can you just send it to everybody?
Yes, everyone else has it. The court. It
Oh,
doesn't.
only the court doesn't have it. Okay,
Sorry.
all right, send it on. So this is different than what you sent Ms. Persifield yesterday?
It's select ones from what I sent Ms. Percival yesterday.
Okay, but do they look the same as what you sent? Because I don't mind just looking on there. I think
Okay,
it just
so it's a
arrived, so
por-
that's cool. I am opening it up now. Okay, got it.
Okay. So,
And if A is whatever the last one is to the first one, that's fine. As long as we're all looking at the same thing. All right. So is everybody on the 526Y, A through whatever it's going to be? All right. Any objection to A? All right, then what is it?
I don't believe it was tendered yet, but
Well,
the witness.
I don't know if it has been or not, but
I
the
don't-
assumption is all of these are going to get tendered with Detective Gaither, so.
Detective Gaither stated, I recognize some of the individuals depicted. So I'm objecting to the entire photograph going in.
we have no problem with not tendering that one through
All right,
Sergeant Gaither.
okay. B.
I just don't know the purpose of,
Well, that's not a good objection. I mean,
Well,
it might ultimately
relevance,
be
I
a
don't-
relevance objection. Okay.
relevance and its admission against Mr. Nichols, it's not an inconsistent statement in any way. It doesn't involve Mr. Nichols in any way. It's not a co-conspirator statement. Why is it coming in?
Said relevance objection.